should be rise and rain, not rise and shine. Oh, no, 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 no! No, sunshine! Off to the weather station. Well, it may not be raining, but at least I can use my wipers.
Yesterday, I met the Bergen weather lady. She was kind enough to invite me to the TV studio first thing in the morning. The weather is looking dramatically bad, so I hope she's got some good news for me.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Good to see you. Well, today's chart, all sunny.
Oh, that's awful. What about tomorrow's?
Well, only Kristiansund, there's some rain.
How far is that?
Well, that's 8 hours from here.
8 hours? Okay, no time to lose. I've got to go.
Okay.
Thank you for everything.
I'm in a convertible. I'm in the sun. This is a nightmare. I need a second opinion from another expert.
Right. Okay, we found one. Let's go. Hello? Ah, hi. Eric, champion rain hunter. As you can see, we've got really bad blue skies, and it is essential that I find rain. So with your sixth sense, where can I find the rain?
En merkelig type. Jeg skjønner engelsk, men jeg kommer ikke til å svare deg.
Thank you. No, none of that. I collected that. Yeah, it was hard work. Not even one drop, thank you. Bloody horses!
Well, I've just lost a few litres. I need to find a way to compensate. Any way will do.
It can be a massive rain cloud that just starts pissing down on us. It could be a waterfall. That's compensation.
The sun, that bloody sun, will set in an hour, and I don't even have a place to sleep yet.
Excuse me, do you speak English? Yeah. Oh, do you know if there's a hotel nearby?
Yeah, we're going there now because there will be too much heavy rain coming over the fjord. Really? So there will be too much rain for a tent.
Really? Could I buy your tent? Campfire, Nordic beans, and the perfect setting. Tough day. I'm still on 150, same as this morning. Oh well, may as well relax.